Hi, my name is Rune Hansen and I'm the lead mechanical engineer in Blueye. Today I'm going to show you how to install the Blueye external camera and lights on a drone. We start by powering off the system by using the magnet switch. And the next step will be to remove the battery. Use the pin spanner to remove the battery cover. The next step will be to remove the side covers. There's a snap hook in the plastic part, and it's best to engage and disengage the snap hook when you remove the covers, and then flip them forward. And now we will remove the buoyancy. Just take it off on both sides, like this. Now you can see the three guest ports. You have guest port 1, 2 and 3. And we will use 2 of these guest ports to attach the camera and the lights. In the kit you will find the camera and the light and the mounting hardware. We will start by mounting the universal mount. It will fit on top of the drone, like this. Use the hex 3 key to fix the bolts. The next step will be to install the T-mount adapter. This will fit here to allow you to put more than one unit on the drone. Use the enclosed hex 4 key to tighten it, like this. And now we are ready to install the camera mount. Goes into the T-mount like this. The camera and the lights will be attached with the enclosed silicone bands. So first I'll attach the silicone bands. And then I'm ready to fit the camera. And the next step will be to connect the connectors. First, I have to remove the blind plugs. It's handy to use a small tool to wiggle the connector loose, because it can be a little bit tight, like this. The camera goes in port 3. There's an alignment pin that fits into the hole in the drone. And then just push it gently. And then reinstall the bolt. Tight the screw finger tight. The next step is to install the lights. The lights can be attached to either of the 3 ports. I will first remove the blind plug. And again, the alignment pin needs to fit the hole. And reinstall the bolt. The next step will be to reinstall the buoyancy and the side covers. The easiest is to install the right-hand buoyancy and side cover first, and then route the cables. The buoyancy goes in here, and then the side cover. Start with the hinges in the front. And then engage the snap hook. Now we are ready to route the cables. Install the left side buoyancy on this side, and we have to route the excess cables inside the drone, in front of the buoyancy. And then you attach the left hand cover. And engage the snap hook. And finally install the screws. When you have installed the lights and camera, you need to remove some ballast weight of the drone. In this case, when we're using 2 lights or 2 units, we removed 2 of the ballast weights. Use the pin spanner to gently push them out. And now we are ready to reinstall the battery and the end cap. And now I will show you how to verify that the camera and the lights are connected correctly. Go to Settings, and then Drone Settings, and Guest Ports. And here you will see that the Blueye light is connected on port 1, the blind plug on port 2, and the camera on port 3. And this concludes the tutorial on how to install a Blueye camera and lights on a drone.